So let's go make 설날 Jeon with me, and I'm doing it at my house. And 설날 is Lunar New Year, and Jeon is like fried, basically food, but you can literally buy it at the market. But I'm gonna show you how you do it like old style. So let's get started. So you start off by oiling the pan. This is 호박전. This is a type of pumpkin. It's a Korean pumpkin, I think. This is flour, and what you do is you put it into the flour first, and then you put it into the egg, and then you go to the fry pan like so. The oil should have been more cooked, but it's okay. Now we just continue doing that. So, and now we're gonna, ooh, you see that? You see how fried and cooked it is? Love it. You have to make sure you have a lot of oil in it, that's why, so that it doesn't stick to the frying pan. And also, we're not gonna think about calories because it's the holidays. Flour is like oat flour and it's like gluten-free or something, so you know, gotta stay healthy. And in Korea, it's always important that you do odd numbers, not even numbers. So we're gonna do 3 different types of Jeon. This is dongtae, which is a type of fish. I think it's like pollock, I don't know. I'm gonna double check on that. And last but not least, our family does liver. I know it sounds disgusting, but it's actually better than it sounds. It's cow's liver. My house is a bit small, so that's why I'm not really showing you like the whole bit, but I'm gonna manifest moving into a bigger house this year, and I feel like it's coming to me. So if I move to a bigger house, then of course I'm gonna do more like traditional Korean cooking style videos because I feel like it's gonna be so much more authentic, you know? And we're gonna go on with the fish, and also we put it into the flour first, and then we put it into the egg. This has been preheated for quite long, so let's see that. It's not as like hot as I expected. So we're gonna let this rest, and you have to make sure that the fire is on a really low level because this also, since it's like raw fish, it has to be cooked all the way. But on the other hand, this, look how sizzling and beautiful it looks. It's gonna get burnt, so I have to stop. I needed to use a spatula or else it'll look like this. And look how crispy it looks. And you have to make sure that the fish is fully cooked or else salmonella. If it seems like your jeon is too dry, then add some oil on top. I didn't oil it too much. I think that's why it's like very like dry looking. So if you add in more oil, then it's gonna look as luscious. So don't worry. And that I will eat because I failed. Looks very crispy, and this is what the dongtaejeon looks like. And now for the liver, which may sound scary, but you know, it's just food. So I should have preheated that more, but still, whatever. It's gonna heat up anyway, so just put it onto the frying pan as so. And this is already pre-cooked. It's been broiled, and it's already like half cooked, but still, you have to, you know, make sure it's fully cooked. So now that like the blood part has come up, you flip it, and as you can see, it gets that like crispy, like eggy thingy, and you just continue doing that until it's fully cooked because we don't want salmonella. I sort of failed with that. I think I didn't put enough flour on it. And the reason you put flour onto this is so that it doesn't like, the egg doesn't get separated from the meat or like whatever it is. And as you can see, if you flip it, I feel like this frying pan is so much better than that one. So look at that. It's coming to a crisp, basically.